Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about the best editing apps for the beginners in 2026. Whether you are just starting out, learning how to edit your first video, or you want something easy and budget friendly, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end. Editing your videos should enhance them and not stress you out. As a beginner, you want something that is easy to learn, affordable or free, that has enough features to grow with. Editing doesn't have to be intimidating. Once you find a tool that fits your style, you will improve faster. Let's start with one of the most popular beginner video editor, CapCut. CapCut is perfect if you're editing with your phone or with your desktop or computer. It's very easy to use. It has different tools, trimming, cutting, etc. The second editing app is InShot. This app is very simple and fun to use. This is another great beginner mobile editor. This one is super popular because it's very straightforward. You import your clip, trim them, add music and text, and export your work. It's perfect for quick edits and vlog style videos. The interface is clean, so you won't feel overwhelmed. It's free with an optional affordable upgrade, which makes it perfect if you want simplicity without spending much. The number 3 editor for the beginners is the VM. This tool has been getting a lot of buzz lately. VM gives you more features than basic editors, but keep things clear and usable. With VM, you will get multi-track editing, effects, filters, keyframes, which means you can grow your skills beyond basics. It is still beginner friendly and it's free with no watermarks, which is rare. I recommend this if you want something that you can keep using as you get better. The number 4 app is iMovie. It comes free with Apple devices. It has screen timeline and makes editing videos as easy as dragging clips and editing transitions. For simple cuts, titles and music, iMovie gets the job done without confusing menus. It's perfect if you're just starting and don't want to spend anything. Finally, number 5 editing app is Filmora. If you want more control, but still not something super complicated, Filmora Go Mobile or Filmora Desktop is a nice option. Filmora has more effects, transitions, and tools than basic apps, but still stays beginner friendly. You can start simple and explore more advanced features. As you learn, it's a good choice for future growth. That is all for today. I hope this will help you to find the perfect video editing app to start with. If you find value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any next editing tips. And comment below, which app are you going to try first? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.